types of hormones secreted by each endocrine gland. The pituitary gland is the main gland of the endocrine system because it secretes hormones that control the secretion of other endocrine glands. The pituitary gland is located at the bottom of the hypothalamus in the brain. The pituitary gland is made up of two lobes, which are the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Each lobe secretes hormones that have certain functions. So this is the pituitary gland. So hypothalamus. So at the bottom of the hypothalamus we have the pituitary gland. Okay, this is pituitary glands. So pituitary glands divided into two lobes. Okay, anterior lobes here, the front anterior lobe, and then we have the posterior lobe. So these lobes will secrete different hormones. Okay, so let us take a look at the posterior lobe of the pituitary glands. Okay, will produce or will secrete hormones, antidiuretic or ADH. So target tissues or organs are kidney tubules in the kidney lah. Okay, so function to stimulate the reabsorption of water. This we are going to learn in chapter 13 later. Okay, in the kidney. So antidiuretic ADH. Okay, then another one hormones is the oxytocin. Target tissue is uterine muscle at the uterus. Okay, and also mammary glands. So for the uterine muscles, function to stimulate the contraction of uterine muscles during birth. This one during delivery of the baby lah, during giving birth. Okay, in the females. Okay, uterine muscle at the uterus. Okay, stimulates the contraction of uterine muscles during birth. And then for another one, for mammary glands, stimulates the production of milk from the mammary glands. So the mix produced by the female, by the mother, actually come from this, stimulates by this oxytocin. Oxytocin hormones are secreted by the pituitary glands at the posterior lobe. So for this posterior lobe, just secretes two hormones. Okay, antidiuretic ADH and oxytocin. Okay, this one is posterior lobe. So you must remember the target tissue and then also the function. Okay, then move on to the next. We have the anterior lobe. Okay, here this one, anterior lobe, will secretes hormones lah. Some hormones. Okay, 5 hormones secreted by this anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Okay, so the first hormone is luteinizing hormones, LH. Target tissues is ovary. Ovary stimulates ovulation, development of corpus luteum, and secretion of estrogen and progesterone. Okay, these two also hormones. So secret other hormones lah. So this one in the development of the ovum. Later in chapter 15, we're going to learn this. Okay, so LH. And then for testes, it will stimulate secretion of testosterone by testes. Okay, so this hormone produced in the anterior lobe of the pituitary glands, but you see the target tissues is ovary and testes. So that means the hormone will travel throughout the body, in the blood flow, right? So that it will reach the target organs. Okay, this example lah. So this one, another one is the growth hormones, GH. Okay, target tissues or organs are soft tissue and bone. So function stimulates growth, protein synthesis, and fat metabolism. So this is function of growth hormone produced by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Then we have the adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH at the adrenal cortex. Adrenals at the kidney. Okay, kidney. Okay, so stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete hormones. So it will stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete hormones. Okay, and then we have the thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH at the thyroid gland. This one at our neck. Stimulates thyroid to secrete thyroxine. Thyroxine also a hormone lah. Okay. So and then the last one we have the follicle stimulating hormone or FSH. Okay, target organs are ovary and testes. For ovary, stimulates the development of follicles in the ovary. This one are related to the development of ovum. Later we are going to learn in chapter 15. And stimulates spermatogenesis. This one, development, production of the sperm. This FSH. So this hormone all produced by the antral lobe of the pituitary glands. But the target tissues, target organs are different lah. Okay, so this hormone will travel from the pituitary gland, travel to the target tissue in the blood flow. Okay.